Well, it's officially come down to this. Welcome to installing Temu parts on my e-bike. This is a massive 12-volt air horn, and we're throwing them on the Throne Serpent. We're gonna go from this to this. All right, let's install these Temu air horns. It's gonna take off a couple of these 4 mils, fall up out of the way. Now let's get the dash guard out. Skid plate, whatever you guys want to call it. And then got a boom. Let's get the skid plate out of here. So in our Temu specials, all we have to do is wire positive and negative. Could not get any more easier. So we're just going to tap into our factory horn, pop this guy out. So we got our positive and our negative. Easy peasy Japanese. Now I don't have any blades. Squeeze these in. Oh, and they're like swimwear. Here is our current situation. I'm gonna make a little harness. I don't know how much wire I need to get it outside of the dash plate. So I'm just gonna make a harness to connect to there. This is one of those 1 in the morning doom scrolling. And now we're here. All right, so there is our power wires for our Temu special. Routed right into the factory harness. I did not want to cut that because I am literally gonna put my factory horn back on. All right, let's get the dash guard back on, get the wires fed, kind of get it mounted where we want it, and then literally wire it up. We're done, gang. That's it, easy peasy. 2 mounting options we have. Under the tail, kind of come out like 2 exhaust tips, which is kind of cool. Or down here. Comment down below, you guys like the tail mount option better or the bash guard option better? The purpose of this video, we're gonna go bash guard. First ride with the f***ing train horns. It is obnoxiously loud. I didn't think it was actually gonna be this loud. Alright, let me get his reaction. Kind of digging the horn, to be honest. I'll get in anybody at this point. It's what makes e-bikes fun, guys. You can just do stupid things to them and just not care. That was sketchy. What the f that was about. Let's go, baby. Shit. I love it. Oh god. This is the diamond place? Oh yeah, we should probably bounce. Oh god. No, we're good. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my face in acid tonight. That's fucking gross, dude. Sure, like roller coaster.
What's up?
What's a coyote?
Oh shit! Yeah, there's a coyote.
Holy shit! Appreciate it. Thank you. What the fuck is going on right now?
You flip it off to the sky like
This shit fucking freaked out.
How fast can you go on that?
55?
55?
55.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
How long does the battery last?
Depends on how fast you ride it.
Let's go, brother.
Hey, music for him, real quick.
I got you. I got you. Dude, I thought you were about to actually do it. I was like, holy shit. No, hell no.
Take your helmet off.
Fuck no. That shit's crazy. Yes, sir. That shit's wild, bro. Well, I appreciate you guys watching to the end. To answer your question, if you should install train horn on your e-bike, definitely should. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Super cool. We just got to do something about how ridiculous it looks. So comment down below, guys, the next stupid thing you want to see me mount on my e-bike from Temu. Temu? Well, until then, I'm gonna go f*** off.